Okie dokie, welcome to Dave's Cook and Show You, and for you today, I have basically my version of a souped up tuna fish sandwich, tuna salad sandwich, Tuna Club, whatever you want to call it. So we start off with about 5 cans, about 50 ounces of albacore tuna. About 12 slices of bacon that you can see I've pretty much chopped up, fried up, and nice and crispy. A half a cup of chopped parsley. 4 dill pickles that I diced up. And at some point, you should get a tablespoon of dill pickle juice, but usually the pickles will be juicy enough. But just keep that in mind. You do want a little bit of pickle juice. Then about a cup or to taste of mayonnaise. Also, what you're not seeing is we're going to add a tomato to this too. You should have a sliced tomato all ready to go in the refrigerator. And why in the hell I used a knife to mix this, I do not know. But you just want to mix this up. By the way, this is a great recipe if you've never made anything before in your life. This is, something to start on. And then be like me and get really pissed off that you can't find a goddamn spoon. So basically just give this a mix, adding more mayo as you need it. Remember, you can add more, but once it's in there, it's a pain in the ass to take it out. And we're looking for something like that. I decided on white bread for this, but you can certainly use whatever you like. Nice rye, pumpernickel. I just chose white bread for this. And you want to add a generous amount to your liking of this. That'll about do it for me. Couple of slices of tomato and, of course, salt and pepper. Okay, and then I just add a slice of medium cheddar cheese, put the top piece of bread on, and I'm done. Tuna Club, done. You could certainly toast this up if you like and make a tuna melt, but I just decided not to this time, so done.